Hey everyone, yeah, I already tried to make this YouTube video and I'm really mad because I put a lot of work into it. I was trying to do a reading on the underdogs, but I read to page 10 and that's what I'd be doing for every video, but somehow it didn't upload. So in this one, I'm going to review the N16 for the zombie movies, zombie first person shooter. See, this is what I do. I'm putting this upside down. But you see right there, I put my phone right there, where you can see that little hole right there, and it looks like the aim to the sight. And that just kind of makes it look cool because it looks first person shooter. This is actually a Halloween gag, if you can see right there. It's not actually an M16, it's not a Nerf gun. Yeah, I did use a Nerf gun in the last one I made. I am coming up with a new zombie first person shooter one. I just gotta get it made up. I'm still making the script and everything. Not that much more to say. Except cookies. I like cookies plus chocolate. Chocolate time. Sorry, this is something a doctor prescribed to me. I have to eat chocolate like every day. Ugh. Yuck. So that one pretty good. That one's good. Help me remember these. Anyway, back to the review. Yes. See this light right there? That's how I made that ghost thing in the second one. What I did was I turned off all the lights in the room, and then I pulled that back and forth really fastly, and it looked like there was like a ghost or something. The different modes on it is one shot, sounds like a sniper rifle. Second mode is what I use in my videos. It's the triple shot, sounds more realistic. There's a 20 shot, and then there's battle mode. There's a handle right here where I hold it. And it was part of my Halloween costume. I was a G.I. Joe. And then, kind of stopped doing that, but if, the release date for Zombies 3, I'm gonna try to finish it today. Don't really know yet. Just gonna try to finish it today. I almost got the script finished. Other than that, things been pretty cool around here after that. I've got a couple subscribers now. I could still use more. I'm not greedy or anything like that. I'm just asking if I can get more subscribers so I can be like famous people. Like Deadlocks. That was told me by my friend Parker. He yelled at me for that. Saycox97, Captain Sparkles, Etho, and Crazy Jack 28 or 29. I like that montage. It's awesome. Well, my battery on my laptop's getting low, so I better go plug it in. Bye YouTube, please rate, subscribe, and like below. Yay! That's what I was for this, so eat it.